This is a July 2025 smoke alarm collection, so let's get started. This is part 1. This is the EI144 heat alarm. Also got the EI164. This is the EI166 smoke alarm. Also got the EI146 smoke alarm. Mains with battery powered, mains with battery powered, mains with battery sealed, mains with battery sealed, mains with battery powered. No, battery sealed. This is the EI161 smoke alarm. It's on a EI168 radio link base. Two Fire Angel SB1 smoke alarms. This is the EI144E heat alarm. This is the First Alert SA888 UK smoke alarm. This is the EI207 carbon monoxide alarm. What? There's a problem. The fault light came on, and it still works. 3 Fire Angel SI601 smoke alarms. This one is the older one from the 2000s. This is from 2007, replaced by 2017. And this one is from 2015. These two are from 2015. This one replaced by August 2025, and this one November 2025. I9040EU smoke alarm. It does work. Well, it doesn't. Well, actually it does, but it falses. There. I'm going to put a battery in it right now. Sometimes it doesn't falses, sometimes it does. Fire Angel SO610 smoke alarm. Replaced by 2019. So it is from 2009. Fire Angel FA6615 smoke alarm. Fire Angel FA6620 smoke alarm. Fire Angel ST622 smoke alarm. EI3105 smoke alarm. This is the EI3100 smoke alarm. These has radio link. EI100 EN smoke alarm. This alarm is from the 90s. Oh yeah, I tried to pull out the battery for the escape light, and the battery wouldn't come out, so I pulled it, and now this is stuck in there. This is the EI100 BN smoke alarm. This is a Dicon 650M smoke alarm. This is from 2007, replaced by 2017. October 12th, 2007. This is a First Alert carbon monoxide alarm. This is a Honeywell XC100 carbon monoxide alarm. This is another First Alert carbon monoxide alarm. FCD3N. First Alert SA90 CEC smoke alarm. This is part 1. Bye guys. Oh, I forgot. It is a Fire Angel ST625 smoke alarm. Bye guys.